Hi, do you know who this guy is? Watch lesson 16 of ESLpodTV and find out who it is and what we do with him on November the 5th every year. Today is November the 5th, and in Britain on this day we celebrate an event that happened over 400 years ago. In 1605, a person named Guy Fawkes and a group of Catholic friends tried to blow up the British Parliament with 36 barrels of gunpowder. They were caught after one of the group sent a letter to a friend warning him to stay away from Parliament. Guy Fawkes and the rest were eventually imprisoned and later executed. Nowadays, British people celebrate Guy Fawkes Day, sometimes called Bonfire Night, by building bonfires and letting off fireworks. It is a tradition for children to make a guy from old clothes stuffed with newspaper and display him in the streets asking, "Penny for the guy," and expecting to receive some money to spend later on fireworks. Guys are then thrown on the bonfire at the height of the celebrations. Big firework displays are held in public playing fields and open areas, usually with huge bonfires. The bonfires often take weeks to build, and in small communities and villages, everyone will bring some wood or old furniture to add to the fire. The events of 1605 are also remembered in a nursery rhyme. It goes like this. Remember, remember, the 5th of November is gunpowder, treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Knock at the door, ring the bell. Have you got a penny for singing so well? If you haven't got a penny, a halfpenny will do. If you haven't got a halfpenny, then God bless you.